Hello, my friends! Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just dreaming of your next adventure, I'm so glad you're here with us today. Welcome to the Travel Partner YouTube channel, your passport to the world's most delicious and delightful places. Here we share insider tips, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences from every corner of the globe, all designed to inspire your wanderlust and help you travel smarter. I'm Sarah, your guide for today's journey. If you love discovering new cultures, tasting incredible food, and collecting memories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, you'll never miss a bite, a tip, or a travel story from us. Today, we're heading to the heart of Germany, Nuremberg, a city where every street tells a story and every meal is a taste of history. From its medieval architecture to its vibrant present, Nuremberg is a place where tradition and modern life blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that's both enchanting and welcoming. I've got 20 essential tips for your 2026 trip. Castles that whisper tales of the past, sausages sizzling with flavor, riverside strolls perfect for soaking in the scenery, and markets that sparkle like fairy tales come to life. Whether you're planning your first visit or returning for more, these tips will help you make the most of your Nuremberg adventure. Let's get started. Let's begin our journey at the very heart of Nuremberg, the Altstadt, or Old Town. This historic district is where centuries of stories, traditions, and vibrant city life come together, creating a unique atmosphere that's both charming and full of energy. As you step through the ancient city gates, you're instantly transported back in time, surrounded by the echoes of medieval life and the sights and sounds of a bustling modern city. Picture yourself wandering along winding cobblestone streets, lined with beautifully preserved half-timbered houses that seem to tell their own stories. The Hauptmarkt, Nuremberg's lively main square, is always buzzing with activity. Here, the magnificent Frauenkirche church stands in Gothic splendor, its intricate facade watching over the crowds below. The square is a hub for locals and visitors alike, especially during the famous Christmas market. Make sure to stop by the Schöner Brunnen, or Beautiful Fountain, a true gem of the old town. Its ornate spires and colorful figures are a feast for the eyes. Don't forget to give the golden ring a spin. It's said to bring good luck, and it's a tradition cherished by both locals and travelers from around the world. As you explore further, you'll stumble upon quirky statues tucked into corners, cozy cafes spilling out onto the sidewalks, and the joyful sounds of local musicians filling the air. Every street and square has its own character, inviting you to slow down and soak in the details that make Nuremberg's Old Town so special. Take a seat at a bustling cafe, savor a delicious pastry, and watch the world go by. The Old Town is the perfect place for people watching, whether you're enjoying a quiet morning or the lively afternoon rush. There's always something happening, and every moment feels like a scene from a storybook. So take your time, let your curiosity guide you, and allow Nuremberg's rich history and vibrant present to unfold at your feet. Every step reveals a new chapter in the city's story, waiting for you to discover. No visit to Nuremberg is complete without seeing its iconic castle, the Kaiserberg. Climb up for panoramic views worth every step. Explore the courtyards, ancient walls, and the deep well. The museum inside is packed with medieval artifacts and stories of emperors. Sometimes you'll catch a festival or event, but even a quiet visit feels magical. The castle is the soul of Nuremberg, majestic, enduring, and unforgettable. Let's talk food. Nürnberger Rostbratwurst are a must. These tiny sausages have been a local favorite since the Middle Ages. Grab 3 in a bun with mustard from Bratwurst Häusle or Bratwurst Röslein. Vegetarians, don't worry. Plant-based options are popping up everywhere. Tasting Nuremberg's signature sausages is a delicious way to connect with tradition. December in Nuremberg means one thing: the world-famous Christkindlesmarkt. Stroll among wooden stalls, twinkling lights, and the scent of gingerbread and mulled wine. Meet the Christkind, browse handmade ornaments, and soak up the festive spirit. Even outside the holidays, the market's magic lingers in the city. It's a celebration of community, tradition, and simple pleasures. Bring your appetite, your camera, and your sense of wonder. In Nuremberg, the Documentation Center stands as a striking symbol of the city's willingness to confront its darkest chapters. This modern museum, built into the remains of the former Nazi Party rally grounds, is dedicated to examining the causes, context, and consequences of the Nazi regime. Its bold architecture, with a glass and steel arrow piercing through the old structure, represents a break from the past and a commitment to transparency. Inside, visitors are immersed in a powerful narrative that traces the rise and fall of the Nazis. Through original documents, photographs, and personal stories, the exhibits reveal how propaganda, manipulation, and mass rallies shaped a nation's fate. Interactive displays and multimedia installations help bring history to life, making the experience both educational and deeply moving. The atmosphere is somber and reflective, encouraging visitors to pause and consider the impact of these events, not just on Nuremberg, but on the world. It's a sobering, essential stop for anyone seeking to understand the city's past and the lessons it holds for the future. After exploring the exhibits, take time to walk the vast rally grounds outside. The sheer scale of these spaces is overwhelming, a stark reminder of the power and ambition that once gathered here. Standing on these grounds, you can't help but reflect on how history shapes a city and how a city chooses to remember, learn, and move forward. Visiting the Documentation Center isn't easy, but it's meaningful. It challenges us to confront uncomfortable truths, honor the victims, and ensure that such history is never repeated. The Pegnitz River offers some of Nuremberg's prettiest walks. Start at Henkersteg, Hangman's Bridge, for a picturesque view. Follow the river for parks, beer gardens, and perfect picnic spots. Locals jog, cycle, or relax along the willow-lined paths. Take it slow and let the river set your pace for the day. Getting around Nuremberg is a breeze with its efficient public transport. Trams, buses, and the U-Bahn connect you to every corner of the city. Buy a day ticket and download the VGN app for easy navigation. Don't forget to validate your ticket if it's paper. For a different view, rent a bike or e-scooter. Nuremberg is super bike-friendly. Helmets, smiles, and curiosity go a long way. The Toy Museum is a delight for all ages, a journey through centuries of play. Antique dolls, tin soldiers, and modern Lego creations fill the colorful displays. Interactive exhibits let you play, build, and rediscover childhood joy. It's a perfect rainy day stop or a break from sightseeing. Let your imagination run wild and maybe pick up a quirky souvenir. You can't visit Nuremberg without sampling Franconia's legendary beer. From crisp lagers to rich dark brews, there's something for every taste in cozy beer gardens. Try Hausbrauerei Altstadthof or Biergarten Lederer Kulturbrauerei for local favorites. Raise your glass, toast to new experiences, and soak up the local spirit. Prost! Nuremberg loves a good festival, and 2026 is packed with celebrations. From the Opera Festival to the Franconian Beer Festival and the Blue Night Art event, there's something for everyone. Summer brings street fairs and the Bardentreffen Music Festival. Dance, discover, and make new friends. Check the city's event calendar and join the festivities. For unique souvenirs, Handwerkerhof is a hidden gem inside the city walls. This artisan market feels like a medieval village, with workshops selling hand-blown glass, wooden toys, and more. Watch craftspeople at work and sample local treats like gingerbread. Take your time browsing and chat with the friendly shopkeepers. You'll leave with something special and a new appreciation for craftsmanship. Got a day to spare? Take a quick train to Bamberg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore winding streets, the hilltop cathedral, and the iconic Altes Rathaus perched over the river. Try the city's famous smoky Rauch beer and wander alleys full of surprises. Bamberg is the perfect complement to your Nuremberg adventure. Art lovers, don't miss the Albrecht Dürer house in the Old Town. Tour the rooms where the Renaissance master lived and worked and see original prints and paintings. Watch printmaking demonstrations and visit the cozy attic studio. You'll leave inspired by Dürer's creativity and legacy. For a family-friendly day, the Nuremberg Zoo is one of Europe's best. Set in a wooded park, it's home to over 300 species, from dolphins to lions. Kids love the petting zoo and playgrounds, while animal lovers learn about conservation. Don't miss the Dolphin Lagoon show and the scenic picnic spots. Enjoy a relaxing day connecting with nature. For convenience, stay in Nuremberg's city center. You'll be steps from main attractions with plenty of charming hotels and boutique stays.